Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make enoki mushroom soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 100 grams of fresh enoki mushrooms, 1 liter of your preferred broth, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that aromatic touch. We'll also use 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 green onion, sliced, for a lovely garnish. Now let's get cooking. Begin by carefully trimming the tough root ends from your enoki mushrooms, then gently separate the clusters. Next, pour your 1 liter of broth into a medium-sized pot and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat. Once simmering, add the 2 minced garlic cloves, followed by the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir everything together well. With your broth perfectly seasoned, it's time for the star ingredient. Gently add the separated enoki mushrooms into the simmering liquid. It's crucial not to overcook them, so let them simmer for just 2 to 3 minutes. This short cooking time ensures they remain tender with a delightful bite. Before serving, give your soup a quick taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking for perfect balance. Finally, your delicious enoki mushroom soup is ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot soup into individual serving bowls. For a beautiful finish and a touch of freshness, sprinkle the freshly sliced green onions over each portion. Serve this wonderful soup immediately to savor its warmth and delicate flavors. It's a light, comforting, and incredibly easy meal to prepare and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.